What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about my new traffic source, and that is Reddit. Well, if you are actually a YouTuber or a blogger and if you are not receiving some traffic from the Google search or the SEO or the organic means or the Fukat free means, have you tried posting on social media? And more specifically, have you tried posting on Reddit? Because that seems to work like magic. Hello people, my name is Mayur. I'm a former brand manager and the creator of this particular channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the front page of the internet, and that is Reddit. Reddit is known as the front page of the internet, and there is a reason for that, because you can find anything on Reddit. You name it: food, vegetables, birds, animals, wildlife, photography, anything. There is a subreddit for everything on Reddit, and when I say like everything, I literally mean everything. So the first thing I want to show you is my traffic sources. The recent external traffic source is increasing to Reddit. Earlier the traffic source, the second external traffic source, used to be Facebook. The primary one has always been Google. But what is surprising for me is that it is actually giving a tough competition to Google search when you compare to the external traffic sources. What I'm talking about, let's have a look. Alright, so this is my channel analytics, and if we go on the top external sources, so I recently have started posting on Reddit and I'm still learning Reddit, so FYI. Anyway, as you can see, in this particular month, Reddit has been my third traffic source, and if you actually check like the last 7 days, that's when I have literally started being active on Reddit. It is already giving me a 15% of the traffic from Reddit itself, which becomes like a huge number for a channel like me, which has like a small audience. Alright, so what is that I did on Reddit so that, this traffic started coming? And basically, trust me, I've just started being active on Reddit. It's basically, the more and more I post on Reddit, the more and more traffic I'm gonna go and start receiving from Reddit. What exactly have I done? If you're thinking that you're gonna go on Reddit and start posting your links on Reddit, it's not gonna work that way. Reddit is going to ban your account for spamming their platform. Reddit is really strict about marketing people, and Redditors hate marketers. So basically what I did is, you need to go ahead and start building your karma. Karma is something which is a very major factor or major metric, you can call it, on Reddit. The more karma you have, basically the more god like a figure you become on on Reddit. And in order to go ahead and start posting on the subreddits or to create your community on Reddit, you need to at least have, minimum, I'm saying minimum, you should at least have 50 karmas on your account. Because if you do not have karmas and if you just go ahead and start posting on subreddits as well, people are going to start spamming, reporting you as a spam, and ultimately you're going to lose your Reddit account. Alright, so there are two ways of building your Reddit karma. The first way is basically to start going ahead and start posting either a link, image, video, text or poll. These are the things that Reddit allows you to go ahead and post. Once you post it on your profile, you need to go ahead and start sharing it on the other subreddits. Meaning, you need to cross post it on Reddit. Reddit works on a system when the upvote and the downvote comes in the picture. The more upvotes you get, the more karmas you're gonna get. The more downvotes you're gonna get, the more lower your profile is gonna go. So basically, the first way of starting it is, I'm not gonna tell you to go ahead and start your links or the YouTube channel links or your blog links directly. The first thing I would recommend you to do is start sharing images or something like a funny memes or something like that, wherein you can get a lot of response. That's what I did. It helped me to build my Reddit karma. I'm gonna show you that particular images. 1 second. So these, the long feed that you're looking at is hardly a month feed. I have just started posting on Reddit like since a week, which is like very, very whatever. Anyway, so I started sharing, memes and things like that. This is basically the most popular post of mine on Reddit, wherein I have received one award for best marketing. Basically, this is just a meme that I found somewhere, and I have received 317 upvotes on this. Basically, that gathers to my post karma. And if you are thinking that, okay, listen, I will start going ahead and just posting memes, it doesn't work that way as well, because your karma is basically divided into post karma, comment karma. Why is it not coming? Yeah, okay, cool. Post karma, comment karma, awarder karma, and awardee karma. So there are different types of karmas that you have. So you can't just post like a image and then think that okay, it's gonna go that way. But that's basic. I mean, to start with, it's going to give you it's basically gonna get you started. And the thing which I said, to start posting in the subreddits, you need to at least have a 50 karma points on your account. And when you have like when you reach at least 500 like that, it's comparatively better to a lot of users on Reddit, because a lot of users struggle for getting karma. This is one of the way you can start getting karma. Now you might be wondering, why did I ask you to go ahead and start sharing memes? Basically, it depends on the community. Whenever you post a particular link or anything in a subreddit, that subreddit is a completely different community than the other one. For instance, a YouTube community is going to be completely different than the Reddit community or the Ask Reddit community or the videos community. So you need to, and there is certain community which is going to feel free to share upvotes, and there are certain communities which are not going to share their upvotes that easily. So in order to get that particular karma level, or in order to at least reach 100 or 200 karma, you need to go ahead and start sharing something that is relatable and something that is easily going to gain you karma. The second thing that you need to be very aware of is, once you create your Reddit account, you are not supposed to, you can share one post or two posts hardly, but you're not supposed to do anything for the first month at least. For at least a minimum of 30 days, do not do anything. Forget that you have opened your Reddit account and just sleep over it. Yeah, that's how Reddit works. The more older your account is, the more better it is going to be for you. My account is now 5 months old. So when I initially created this particular account, I actually created one more account before that, but I did not know anything about it at that particular time. And then I got to know that Reddit is something which is like an anonymous website and altogether. But I wanted to share my content over there, looking at the enormous amount of traffic that we get from Reddit. So I went ahead and I created another account, and this account is like 5 months old. So this is a very important part. I think I should have mentioned it earlier, but anyway, you are not supposed to do anything after you open your account on Reddit for 1 month. Just sleep over it. That's it. Just sleep over it. And the second way of building a Reddit karma is basically by engaging with the community, talking to the community, commenting on the people's posts. So when I say comment, do not go ahead and start commenting your video links. Again, people will start reporting you, and you will be a spam, and your account would be banned and blocked and whatever. What I mean to say is, start engaging, meaning leave valuable comments. For instance, if someone has asked a question and if you know the answer for that, go ahead and just start writing from your heart. When you write whatever you know, and trust me, if it is helping people, people are going to start falling for it, and people are going to go ahead and start upvoting your thing. That's another way of earning karma. I can just show you one of the upvotes that I got. So I just went ahead and I congratulated a particular person, and it has given me, that person being a very kind one, he has went ahead and given me a one upvote. So basically that's going to count as another karma for me. So this is another way of getting or earning your Reddit karma. Again, I'm telling you, do not go ahead. This is something which I've seen on YouTube, and it happens a lot on my channel as well. People just come and they start commenting video links. Do not do that. Redditors are very strict about you. If you are going to market yourself, or if you're going to go ahead and promote yourself on Reddit, people are going to ban you left, right and center. People are going to start reporting you. I hope this was a helpful video for you guys. So I have accumulated 500 karma on my particular account in, I think so, 2 or 3 months. And as I said, the account, the Reddit age, my account age is visible over here. It's a 5 month 21 days account. For the first 45 days or the first 2 months at least, I think I did not do anything. Even if you see that particular thing, I have posted that 2 months ago. So anyway, I hope you find this particular video helpful, and if you like the video, guys, please hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll be talking about how do you go ahead and create a community on Reddit, or how to create a subreddit on Reddit, and so on and so forth. As I am learning, I'm going to share videos about Reddit. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.